Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rene and we are here at Aesthetics MD. So we are back. We're going to do a new procedure that we have at Aesthetics MD. We have a new technology device. It's called ND-Med, and the procedure that I'm going to do is for my double chin. So right now I'm 41 years old and this is part of the aging process, and I want to keep maintaining myself. So this energy device uses radio frequency with microneedles. It stimulates collagen at different layers. It causes a lifting effect and also improves the skin quality of your neck. The recommendation is from 3 to 4 sessions. Sessions are done every month and you start seeing good results since the first session. If you have any questions, let us know. You can call us, okay? Downtime of this procedure is minimum 2-4 hours. It causes redness or swelling, but it goes away very, very quick. Thank you.